Today we're making Cou-Cou, a traditional Bajan dish. Alright, let's start with our oil and our margarine going into a pan. We're making the gravy first here. Do this first because you don't want to interrupt your Cou-Cou making. So you want to get these out of the way. You can see my sweet potato in a pot boiling. So I added my onions, green peppers, and I would add some tomatoes, but we didn't have any local tomatoes, and some garlic. Just sweat them off until you're ready to add whatever fish you're using. I'm using these tins of sweet chili tuna. I don't eat a lot of fish. I don't like saltfish, and I don't like flying fish, so I use these. Sweet chili, I just put sweet chili sauce on anything, so these are perfect for me. Season how you like. I'll leave what I season with in the full recipe, so make sure you check the description box for the full recipe and just make sure it's incorporated and mix them in. You see me using pepper sauce. You don't need to add pepper sauce if you don't like, but I like my food a bit more hot. And some ketchup because it's gravy and Bajans just put ketchup on anything. So mix it in, let the seasonings cook down, and then add some water. If you find it sticking to the pan, I put water in the tins just to get the flavor out and to stop it like sticking a bit. Top up with some of that potato water so it doesn't go to waste, and put it on the back burner to reduce down. Right, this is my Cou-Cou stick, and you can see my strainer and my big bowl I'm going to use, and you see my okras here on to boil. You see my gravy's reduced down, so just leave it on the back on a low heat or whatever until it reduces to how you like. Okras don't take long to cook, so 5 minutes they're good. You don't want them fully cooked. So strain them off into that big bowl and make sure you save back all of that water. You need to use it. Add the water back, maybe about half back into the pot, and stir in your cornmeal. Do this off of the stove because you don't want it on the stove where it might clump together and you get lumps. So I do it off the stove, mix it in. If you find out it's not coming together, add a bit more water until like it's formed a ball. So you make sure you mix it in good. Mix, mix, mix. Right, see it's coming together now. So you just stick your Cou-Cou stick in, add some water, and put it onto the heat now, a very low heat. You know it's ready to mix the liquid back into the cornmeal again because you'll see bubbles at the bottom of the pan. So the water is to stop it from burning as well, and to also obviously make it come together and cook. So this pan was not the right pan to use. I don't normally use this pan. This is one of the old pots. So you see my stove is a ceramic one, so it's moving everywhere. So that'll give you more trouble. So don't do like me. I would normally edit this out, but I wanted to show you that even though, you know, it's still coming together. So add the water back in, let it cook for another minute or so, and stir it back in when you see the bubbles at the bottom, and you're ready for your okras. The light's a bit better now. So I lost a lot of footage, so basically what I'm gonna do is you got the reason you do it to the side of the pan is to get lumps out, to make sure it doesn't lump together and you get little, no one likes a lumpy Cou-Cou. So you mix in the liquid, and I think I added my okras in thirds. So you add your okras, mix it in, form it back into a ball, add the water on top, let it sit for a minute, and then repeat until all your okras are gone. And then when your okras are gone, but if your Cou-Cou's still not cooked, add in the water again and mix it until it's cooked. So you won't see that footage, you'll just see this, and then now it's cooked. See? So you know it's cooked when you can't really mix it very much. You don't want hard Cou-Cou, but you don't want like soft. So this is how I like mine. So the leftover liquid, keep that and put it into another jug and use it to lubricate the bowl you're gonna form your Cou-Cou balls in. So I love this bowl. I use this bowl for everything. It does them quick. So just portion out how big of a portion you want. Shake it, flip it, turn it, and you got your Cou-Cou ball. See, it's not sticking. You're ready to go. So you have your Cou-Cou, your sweet potato, and your gravy. Traditionally, you use pickled cucumber, but I didn't want that. So this is how everything should look like. Sit served. I love Cou-Cou so much, so I hope you make it and let me know how it comes out. Follow me on Insta to check out everything else. Bye.